All right, y'all, it's your girl Stella back here once again, finishing up my steps for today. I am officially over 20K, okay? I'm just finishing off the day, getting a little walk in just because I want some vitamin D. That's it. That's it. Your girl is tired, but getting outside and getting some of this vitamin D in Georgia, because it's been raining, so when the sun come out, you got to try to run and go get it before it go back in, because ain't no telling. In the next hour or so, it'll be thunderstorms. That's how it's been in Georgia. Every night it's been seeming like it's a thunderstorm. So you got to try to get out here and get your walk on when the sun's shining, so you can get you some good old vitamin D. I meant, now don't tell, I meant, just get it. You can go out there in the rain if you want to. I don't want my locks smelling like carpet rug, okay? So I ain't going out in the rain. But you can go on out there if you don't, have locks and don't want to risk the chance of smelling like rug, okay? But here we go, y'all. Taking y'all on my little walk to top off the day. We topping off the day, baby. It's Friday. I'm gonna go home, eat me a piece of steak. Honey, I ain't watching nothing. I ain't doing nothing. I'm gonna take a shower, eat a piece of steak, and baby, it's night. I'm going to bed, okay? I love going to bed. I love just laying in the bed, y'all. So, look at there. Isn't that beautiful? That's beautiful. That is beautiful. Let me see. See if y'all can see your girl. Let's see how many steps we got. 20,000. Hold on, this thing be tripping. 20,435. Don't play with me. Let's go. I'm about to sweat my perm out. About to sweat all my little edges out. But anyway, y'all, this is Stepping with Stella. Y'all join me. I want to see y'all out walking and getting your step on, okay? Okay? Now Stella got to go. Talk to y'all later. Bye.